In this chapter, we mostly dealt with slope-intercept form. So those are all the equations where we're given them in this form, where this first number right here is our slope, and this is our y-intercept. It's a super useful form, very easy to graph. We just start at 7 and then go up 3 and right 2 every single time. It's a super useful form, and because of that, sometimes we want to get into that form. Another form we learned about is standard form. Could be something like this, right? If I wanted to take this and convert it to slope-intercept form, it's kind of nice. It's only a couple steps. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn it into something that's in slope-intercept form. Okay, the key difference. You see right here how y is isolated? Y is just by itself. Right here on this side, we've got y's got a 5 we're going to have to take care of, and we also got this whole 3x term we got to take care of. As soon as we take care of those two things, then y will be by itself, and we've won, right? So our first step here is we're going to get rid of this x term, and I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Here comes the most common mistake in converting. A lot of people will do this. They'll do 5y, and then they'll get 7x right there, because they do 10 minus 3 is 7. Just be really careful. Those are not like terms. So this has to become negative 3x plus 10. Really what we did was we just slid the 3x to the other side, and in doing so it has to flip signs. Right? So now I'm really close. I've got 5y equals something, and I just want y equals something. So my final step is I need to get rid of this 5. So I'm going to divide this by 5, and I've got to divide everything by 5. So if I take a look at this, here's my slope, because that cancels out, right? So I've got y equals negative 3/5 x, and then my y-intercept is 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So that's converting into slope-intercept. If I was to graph this equation, and I was to graph this equation, they're the exact same thing. They're just in different forms. And we use different forms depending on what we want to accomplish.